Hi everyone, it's Marcie from Marcie's Recipes. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you guys how to make the easiest simple chicken alfredo in under 5 minutes. This recipe is so good, guys. It is an easy dinner idea. It is absolutely one of my favorites. The first step in creating this awesome dish is prepping all your ingredients. Start by mincing 3 large garlic cloves. Set it aside and cover. Now, thinly slice 2 celery sticks. Guys, do not skip the celery. It makes the sauce taste gourmet. Finally, chop a 1/4 cup parsley. Set aside and cover. You can place the pasta in a pot of boiling water. Add salt to taste. While the pasta is boiling, slice 2 pounds of chicken breast. Season the chicken all over with salt and pepper. Place a very large pan or a Dutch oven would work over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and saute, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes or just until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Don't forget to clean up as you go, guys. Keep checking your pasta to see if it's al dente or if it's cooked thoroughly. Now you can take a snack break for like 2 seconds.
One eternity later.
Now you can remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pot, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Saute the garlic and the celery. Add 3.5 cups of half and half cream or regular milk. Stir and leave it to boil until the sauce starts to thicken. You have to keep monitoring it until it's soft. Then add the chicken back to the sauce with a 1/4 cup of parsley and season to taste. I also added 3 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now you can add back the cooked and drained pasta back to the pot and stir for about 3 minutes. And season to taste. And there you have it, guys, the most creamiest and most delicious chicken alfredo you have ever tasted. Okay, I most certainly cannot wait to dig in and taste this dish. I am ready to enjoy it. Let me know in the comments how you twirl your pasta or if you just dig right in. This is delicious. I love the flavor that the half and half gives the sauce. This pasta is simple, but it's loaded with incredible flavors. You can taste the celery, even a hint of garlic in there, and the fresh parsley. I hope this becomes one of your favorite as well. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Until then, love you guys. Mwah.